Hi, Evan. This is Jenna Driscoll with Planning for Online Learning Summer 2020. This is my second reflection. And within this second reflection, we're looking at learner variability within online learning. So here are the things that I would like to work on. The 5 improvements that I'm making to the online learning classroom is we have found out from my district that we would be using Seesaw as our learning platform. So within that, I will be creating monthly handwriting and reading opportunities where students are able to practice writing their name each month, and then eventually, once we get to parent-teacher conferences, have that as evidence to share with parents of here's how your child has progressed throughout the school year for both handwriting and reading opportunities. I'm using the calendar options within Seesaw so then kids can find activities much easier. That was a new update that Seesaw has made since beginning of this online learning journey, and also creating some tabbed reading responses so kids are able to create different answers and different types of activities within their reading responses. Also, I have found some scratch and read activities where I will create backgrounds that have activities that are hidden that kids would need to scratch off with using the mouse to uncover what the activity is. And then also using the voice part of Seesaw to be able to practice counting, the rote counting and counting 1 to 1 by using manipulatives and being able to count those objects so that I can then look at them later and assess their learning. So those are the different learning opportunities that I have found within Seesaw that I would be making to my online learning classroom. We are still learning about what our expectations are for the district because we are going to be doing the hybrid model of 50% in the classroom and 50% online. So just looking at what the logistics would be for how that will work, because if we have students in the classroom, how are we supporting students online at the same time? So that's what's coming up, and thank you for watching, and stay tuned for reflection number 3.